Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the part or assembly and positioning the view exactly how you want it captured. Once done, set display options like shaded with edges or real view for realistic appearance. These affect reflections and clarity. Make sure to enable ambient occlusion for depth if needed. You should also create or adjust a camera to lock orientation, focal length, and perspective. This makes repeated captures consistent. Save the file before continuing, so you can revert if a setting needs tweaking. Now configure output parameters to control final image quality. Choose resolution, format, PNG, JPG, TIFF, and aspect ratio such as 16:9. Then refine scene settings, modify directional lights, add fill lights, change background color or gradient, and tweak reflectivity to enhance edges and contours. Use named views or saved cameras so you can return to identical framing later. While adjusting, preview at full resolution when possible, so you can correct exposure, shadows, or highlight. Finally, capture the image using File Save As and select the picture format, or use View Save as Picture for quick options. Pick your resolution and anti-aliasing level. Once saved, open the file to verify sharpness, color balance, and resolution. Crop or retouch in an image editor if required. If you see artifacts, banding, or missing reflections, try toggling Real View or Hardware Open GL, reduce transparency, or update your graphics drivers. These fixes resolve most rendering glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.